Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you consume this drink before you go to sleep, trust me, it will burn stomach fat fast. Stomach fat can be very difficult to get rid of. It's easy to feel helpless, like nothing will work, but diet is so important in eliminating that stubborn fat. Just a glass of this drink before going to bed helps you immensely. This drink is easy to prepare and has proved efficient in bringing great results in short periods as long as it is consumed regularly. When you go to the bed and fall asleep, the metabolism works slower than when you are awake. This drink will help you boost your metabolism and burn calories while you are sleeping. And the best part is it's delicious and easy to make. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, a bunch of parsley or cilantro, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, half glass of water. Instructions: wash all the ingredients properly. Peel off the skin of the cucumber and chop it into pieces. Take a blender and add the cucumber pieces in it. Next, add the chopped coriander, juice of 1 lemon, grated ginger, aloe vera juice and half glass of water. Blend all the ingredients properly till everything is blended properly. Take out the drink in a tall glass. Consume this drink every day, half an hour before you go to sleep, and see your belly fat reduce. Always try and have your dinner at least 2-3 hours before you go to bed. When you go to bed and fall asleep, the metabolism slows down. Then, when you were awake, this drink will help you boost your metabolism rate and will continue to burn calories even when you are asleep. This drink is very easy to prepare and it actually tastes very good. It takes only 5 minutes to prepare this fat cutter drink, and trust me guys, the results are phenomenal. Benefits: cucumber are great for helping you reduce stomach fat. They are refreshing, high in water content, loaded with fiber and very low in calories. One full cucumber contains only 45 calories, making it sexy stomach food. They also help detox the body. Both parsley and cilantro are extremely low in calories, full of antioxidants and offer several vital vitamins and minerals that help to ease water retention without causing the bloating and tummy discomfort. Lemon will flush out all toxins accumulated in your body, and this will contribute to much faster melting of fat, as fat metabolism will be increased once the impurities are out of the system. Ginger will fire up metabolism, prevent constipation and melt unwanted belly fat. If you have flat tummy on your mind, make sure you regularly include ginger in your meal. All compounds in ginger works in synergy to prevent overeating and blast belly fat fast. Aloe vera juice is considered really efficient weight loss remedy as it contains natural antioxidants that help to delay the growth of free radicals in the body and even to reduce inflammatory process going to the body. It stimulates the metabolic rate, which in turn helps for the consumption of more energy. This process stabilizes and reduces the body mass index. It's that simple. For an extra boost during the day, you can pair it with this healthy detox water.